season.
Here to give us the latest on the fight against COVID-19 is triple board certified physician Dr. Sujan Gogu. Thank you for joining us, doctor. The Pfizer pill, it's become the first U.S. authorized home COVID treatment. Is this a big milestone against the fight in coronavirus? Is this the silver bullet we've all been waiting for?
Yeah, I think it's a huge step forward, especially for many primary care physicians and internists that are out there. Because really it's a pill format that we could really give to people that are really at high risk, very vulnerable, or at risk of severe disease, that if they do contract a disease, we could prescribe Paxlovid to individuals. And it's pretty easily taken because it's a pill that's taken twice a day for 5 days. And it could really reduce your risk of severe disease up to 90% is what some clinical trials really show. And so it's huge for the medical community.
It's huge for people who may contract the illness. Is this going to be effective against the potential future variants as well?
You know, that is to be seen. You know, I still think right now the studies were really for, you know, the variants that we do have at the current juncture. So can't really speak on what future variants may bring about yet.
Yeah, so doctor, is it effective against Omicron? Because that is now the dominant variant, or was it developed back when Delta was the big deal?
Yeah, so I think it should be effective, you know, against Delta and Omicron, because the goal of this pill was to really reduce hospitalization and severe illness. And so I do think that this is going to play some level of protection. Now, are we going to get up to some of the clinical trials stating that it's 90% efficacious? I'm unclear on that, but I do think this will be very effective.
Well, it is good news. And moving on to this, the number of shots that we can be expected to get in the vaccine regimen, it's called a booster. It's not the third shot, even though for many of us, that's where it comes in the sequence. So are we going to be expecting another booster? Is this going to be the new norm?
Yeah, so I think, you know, that's to be seen. I know Israel has been very transparent in, you know, providing their booster data, and I know that they've been on the forefront of giving boosters to their citizens. And I know right now they're giving their fourth shot to individuals that are in the healthcare force or individuals that are very high risk. But I think at some point, I think we really have to talk about, you know, what are the goals we're trying to achieve? Are we trying to achieve a prevention in infections, or are we trying to really achieve a diminution of severe illness and death? And I think that's a real conversation that we really need to have in the medical community.
Yeah, because what you're talking about is are we really just trying to reduce the number of cases, or is Omicron at this point so far widespread, it's so transmissible that we really should be talking about lessening the impact on the community?
Yeah, absolutely. So, you know, we know that with 2 doses and the booster, you know, you really get a significant amount of prevention of getting Omicron, but you could still contract it and still get a mild breakthrough case that's there. The risk is, you know, obviously if you have 2 doses and you did not get the booster, you put yourself more at risk of potentially developing a more severe breakthrough case. And obviously, if you're not vaccinated, you know, you're on your own right now, and that's really difficult. That's really difficult on you because you're going to put yourself at really high risk of severe illness. And so it's going to be interesting to see what we get out of Israel when they start giving their 4th dose and seeing how that impacts their community, because a lot of the data that we get is really stemming off of what's happening out there.
Well, as you mentioned, this is what it's going to be more of a challenge of the unvaccinated, because those who are vaccinated and boosted not facing the same risk. So we hope that folks get vaxxed, they get boosted, and they continue to mask up. Thank you for joining us today, Doctor. Even the sports world is not immune to the ills of COVID. Players and politics are colliding, causing divides and delays in the state of play. BNC's Anthony Amy recaps the impact the virus is having on both college and professional levels.